The methods to be used for modifying behavior would include the trans-theoretical model's processes of change. The three that would help with behavior modification of increasing physical activity includes consciousness raising, helping relationships, and reinforcement management. Consciousness raising typically takes place between pre-contemplation and contemplation. It is defined as increasing awareness about the causes, consequences, and cures for a problem behavior. This is when an individual basically learns about the negative impacts on unhealthy physical activity and the possible benefits towards initiating action. Helping relationships is another process of change which is defined as caring, trust, openness, and acceptance, as well as support from others for healthy behavior change. So with this process, it can involve creating social circles which may encourage attaining specific fitness goals or establishing motivational or positive friendships with the same behavior change mindset. Reinforcement management is defined as rewarding oneself or being rewarded by others for making progress. For example, a workplace trying to motivate its employees to participate in more physical activities and health behavior change. They may offer prizes or incentives when reaching specific milestones. On a more personal approach, a person may promise themselves a reward like purchasing an expensive item for maintaining a specific routine for X amount of time.